Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you target HVAC companies with Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to target HVAC companies with Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe a marketing agency, you know that HVAC companies generally deal in high ticket, so they could be a good potential customer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Ads Manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to target HVAC companies, here on the left side, you're going to click on these three little people. It's called audiences. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options. And what we can do is we can go ahead and save an HVAC company target audience. So that way, each time we put together a Facebook ad, we can easily just add in this HVAC company audience. So of these three options, you want to click here on create a saved audience. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that Facebook is slowly removing the options for you to target an audience. A lot of the times they are leaning more towards you using AI or their algorithm. But for now, you can go ahead and choose an audience that's targeting HVAC companies. In the future, though, if these options are taken away, you want to make sure that your messaging is correct in your video, your text, and the pictures that you're actually speaking to HVAC company. So first, we're going to go ahead and name this audience. So let's go ahead and say HVAC companies, California. And next, I'm going to go ahead and choose a location. So I'll just choose California, and then I'll choose the state. Next, I'm going to uncheck this box so that way I have more control over the HVAC company audience. And then here you can choose an age group. I'm not going to do that. Gender. For me, that doesn't matter. Languages, I usually type in English just because that's what I work in. And if we scroll down, you can see that Advantage Plus is already checked and you can't uncheck it. So basically, this is the AI for Facebook ads. So they're going to work on the targeting. So if you want to remove this, what you need to do is click here to switch to Advantage Plus Audience, and then scroll back to the bottom and click on Switch to Original Audience option. And now you should see this box here, Detailed Targeting. So here we can go ahead and add in various demographics, interests, or behaviors that are related to HVAC companies. So I put together this list right here: HVAC technician, HVAC contractor, HVAC installer. So all of these are generally related to HVAC companies. It's kind of a long list, so check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link to this list that I put together. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just take all of these and plug them right into detailed targeting. Once you add it in, you're going to see these options. So you can go ahead and just choose any that's related to HVAC companies. So AC, heating system. And then as you start selecting more and more, it's going to expand your audience for HVAC companies. You can see the group size right now is about 4.2 million, which for me is more than sufficient. So once you have a group size that's sufficient for your target audience, click here on create saved audience. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see the saved group right here that targets HVAC companies in California. So once again, now when we go to put together our Facebook ads in the audience section, we don't have to do that again. We can easily just click the drop down menu and choose our audience segment, HVAC companies in California. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to target HVAC companies with Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to put together the audience. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.